Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer, Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts and we have so many stuffs. And today we choose one of our control valve. I'd like to show it for you. Let's check it together. And firstly, you can see the packages. It's the WVCI anti-rust bags, right? And here with the product SKU and also with the product code. The product code is F00VC01349 and it's the 110 series, China made brand new. And by the way, for this kind of logo labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. And then let's open it. Let's take a look. And as you can see, the inside is the transparent bottle, right? And it's very hard and can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. You can open it in this way. Through the transparent bottles, you can see the oil paper to wrap it up. Take a look. That's the whole side of the valve assembly. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separate ones such as the valve cap or the valve rods. And firstly, if you look carefully, you find the surface on the valve cap there with the coating figures here. And for the product, we had the quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not set with the quality, it's okay. You can return the packages. We can exchange it for you. Of course, right here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? And the second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the third tip is make sure the valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's all the introductions. Actually, if you still have other questions, please leave the comments below these videos. After I see that, I will reply you. At last, if you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account, I really appreciate it. Thank you. And also we had the WhatsApp, the phone numbers, the email address, and also we had the website. You can choose one way. Feel free to contact us. So much for today. I will waiting for a news. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.